guys, so Ross just picked me up actually about an hour ago. We have to go to Airlift. He needs to get a new sensor for one of his shocks, and that's where we're heading. We're actually about 2 minutes from Airlift factory. Super nice that Airlift is only about an hour and a half away in Lansing, Michigan from where we live. So we can just go and pick up parts when we need it. So that's where we're going now. .96 psi. That's why we're here. Keeping it 300, right, Ross?
Keep it 300.
Keep it 300. Old one. New one. This one was making everything go 300. This one hopefully doesn't. We're just, you know, parking lot, getting some help from Airlift, popping it in. Hard lines
Ceiling.
are not that fun. I've never messed with hard lines. These right here, not fun to work with, so. Appreciates it too.
I was gonna say I have nothing but good things to say about Airlift, just because I mean they just straight up helped us with literally everything today. I was just expecting to go in there and get a part, come back, watch some YouTube videos on how to like do it myself, but like they're like, no, like you got it right here. Let's just get right at it. So then they hooked us up with merch too.
Yeah,
so.
we were gonna buy some merch just for them helping us, and they ended up hooking us up with like couple air fresheners and some shirts. The one shirt, I opened mine. I want to see what it looks like. I'll show you guys that like when we get home. And oh, that's bright. But yeah, Ross wanted to get his air fixed pretty much because we're driving down to Chicago for Tuner Evo this weekend. His car's in the show. I'm not sure if I'm bringing the CC down or not yet. But Lauren and I are going. Ross is going. We're gonna do some shooting. We're gonna try to hit up some other guys to shoot as well. And yeah, just make a big like media, for me at least, a big media event this weekend. Shooting Tuner Evo, vlogging it, shooting features, all that good stuff. Just lots of content from that coming. And yeah, I'll talk about that a little bit more when we get home. I'll show you guys the shirt, and then I think that's about it. So the car seems to be running well. No more over 300 errors as of yet. Aired up, aired down, drove. Everything seems to be good.
We checked for leaks.
Yeah, check leaks, everything. Everything seemed to be good. So that's really good on Airlift for helping us out. Like I said, they did more than we thought they were going to do today, so that's really cool. And yeah, so I'll show you guys the shirt, and like we'll talk more about like Tuner Evo this weekend when we get home. So yeah, see you guys then. Just got back going to Airlift with Ross. Kind of spur of the moment thing. He called me this morning, asked if I wanted to go with him to Lansing. Like I said in the video, we got a shirt. We were gonna purchase some, and they were just like, no, you can have it, like, for your time coming out here. Like, we really appreciate you guys, being valid customers, all that stuff. So this was a shirt we got, right? Pretty cool, kind of like an old-timey logo on it. And then on the back, just kind of like their logo, the whole drive it, show it, track it. It's kind of like on a lot of their stuff. So that's pretty cool. Not like we just went there and asked for free stuff, because we were definitely going to pay for this. And they're just like, no, don't worry about it. On top of them helping us out with Ross's car. So that's pretty cool. Like that's great customer service right there. I also said I was going to Tuner Evo this weekend. Lauren and I are taking probably the CC. Ross is taking his Fiesta, and we're driving down there, gonna do a lot of shooting, so really pumped about that because it's a new show. It was kind of like spur of the moment idea to go. Ross has always been going, but he just said like we should go with him. Lauren always loves going to Chicago. So do I. Just, it's like a 3-hour drive for us, so it's nothing too bad. Feature video of the show, shooting Ross's car, shooting my car if I take it, trying to get a hold of some people who else wants to shoot. So if anyone sees this and they, seen some of my other videos and they like want to do a feature, want to be in the video, like hit me up. I'm gonna be posting some stuff on Instagram as well. With that, follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already. Check out the Instagram. Just hit 1K on there a little bit ago. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty awesome. So that's all I got for the video. Spur of the moment, probably won't be very long, but it was fun. Got some free stuff out of it. I'm pumped, and got to hang out at Airlift for a little bit. So awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think. I have a couple other ideas for videos coming out soon. I'm gonna be filming some more stuff here today, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.